Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Adrian Riziq Fadhilla, NPM 23.334, dan saya akan menjelaskan mengenai putusan yang kasus telah di-underline oleh Bapak Haswar. Baik, langsung saja. Pada kasus ini saya menggunakan putusan nomor 67 garing PDTG garing 2023 garing PN Surakarta. And the case is divorce case. Uh, And the case position is the plaintiff, Mrs. Anita Susanti, married the defendant, Mr. Budi Santoso, in a legally registered marriage on 4 March 2003. Over time, their marriage deteriorated primarily due to ongoing conflicts concerning the defendant's lack of responsibility, including failure to maintain stable employment, which caused severe economic hardship for the family. Ms. Anita Susanti, as the primary breadwinner, worked outside the home, further stretching the relationship due to long periods of separation and lack of communication. The defendant frequently avoided resolving familial problems and exhibited behavior perceived as neglectful and disrespectful toward the plaintiff and her family, which intensified the discord. The couple also suffered from repeated incidents of quarrels and mistrust, ultimately leading Mrs. Anita to believe the marriage could no longer be salvaged. Upon filing the divorce petition citing irreconcilable differences and failure of the marital union, the court summoned the defendant several times, and the defendant failed to appear without reasonable cause. Consequently, the court proceeded with a default judgment, or as known as first take, weighing the evidence and the testimonies provided by the plaintiff and witnesses. And next, the case analyst. We need to know that the plaintiff is Mrs. Anita Susanti and the defendant is Mr. Budi Santoso. The brief chronology is Mrs. Anita and Mr. Budi are legally registered husband and wife from 4 March 2003. Over time, their marital relationship deteriorated due to ongoing conflicts over the defendant's lack of responsibility, including his failure to maintain a stable job, which led to severe economic hardship for the family. The plaintiff plays the role of the main breadwinner in the family, working outside the home to meet the family's economic needs. This is what makes the relationship between family problems even more tense and show behavior that is considered negligent and disrespectful from the defendant to the plaintiff and her family, which worsens their dispute. Due to ongoing quarrels and mistrust at the beginning of 2023, the plaintiff finally considered that their marriage could no longer continue. Then the plaintiff filed for divorce with the court on the grounds of irreconcilable differences and the failure of the marital bond. In short, the verdict is a first take verdict because the defendant has been summoned by the court several times but did not hear the official summons. So the court decided with a first take verdict by considering the evidence and witness statements submitted by the plaintiff and witnesses. So the main case of this case is the defendant's lack of responsibility, including his failure to maintain a stable job, which led to severe economic hardship for the family. Okay, that's it. I'm Adrian Fadhilla, NPM 23.334. Thank you.